Hey Isaac, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I'd seen that you commented on my post that you're interested in learning how you can expand your business right now and take on more work. So I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you can make that happen. So I noticed you guys do not have a website set up for your business. I know this isn't a roofing company that I'm showing you here, but this is just a website that's recently wrapped up. There's just a couple key components on this that you really want to keep in mind when the time does come that you guys are ready for a website for your business. So first thing is click to call. These are going to be very important for your guys' conversions once people do come to your website. And the reason for that being is that people are doing mobile search so often these days that by having this click to call button on there, it's going to allow them to automatically connect with your business and get a hold of you guys a lot easier, which is what people are looking for when they're trying to find these contractors to come out here and bid them on a new roof. Or I know you guys do construction as well, so whatever service you guys are offering, this is going to make it a lot easier for people to get a hold of you and get you out there to give them that bid for that service. So going down on the site a little farther here, contact form. So I like to have a contact form on every page, right up near the top. The reason for that being, again, I'm looking to make it as easy as possible for potential customers to get a hold of you and increase those conversions once they get to your website. We do still have a contact page here, but by having that contact form on this page as well, it's just going to make it that much easier for people to get a hold of you. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about on the website is content. So there's over 200 different factors Google looks at when determining which website's going to claim that top spot, which in turn gets all the search volume and new customers coming to it. And content is one of the biggest ones that we can definitely influence in helping you claim that top spot. So with that content, you really want to target anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage, or whatever it takes to beat out what your competition has. So if your competition has 1,500 words of content, we're going to be doing 2,000. And with that content, you also want to make sure that you have the correct search terms or keywords you really want to be found for your business. And I found an awesome keyword for you guys today. And this is just one out of the many that are out there that could generate a lot of new traffic for you coming to your business. But overall, the sites don't have to be too in-depth. You definitely want to have them look nice. But those are kind of the key components of what you really want to be looking for on these websites as you're getting it built out for your business. So looking at Roofing Contractors, Dallas, Texas. This is currently getting 450 searches per month. So there's a large amount of people looking for new roofs in the Dallas, Texas area. There's a couple different things we're looking at here as we're looking at this Google page. These are the Google paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their website right up here at the top of the page. This is definitely a great option for getting leads coming in very fast, but it's also very costly. So oftentimes your average cost per lead can be right around $40 a lead. So it definitely can eat through a budget very quickly. And you're not going to have as high of a return on investment as to if you were going to organically rank your business here in the GMB or 3-pack and here organically in these search results. So having your business in this top spot right here, of that 450 searches per month, you can count on getting about 33% of that headed towards your business. And that's just for one search term. And again, there's a lot more of them out there. So definitely a lot of potential for you to claim a lot of market share and a lot of new business or a lot of new customers headed towards your business. So there's a couple different factors for how we can get your business into this 3-pack. The first one is obviously having a GMB page. With that GMB page, making sure that you build it out and have as much information on there as possible. So just as an example here, looking at American Pride Roofing Contractors, looking at their page, you can see they have done a pretty good job of filling it out. They have a lot of pictures on here. They have good reviews. They have a description on here. So you want to have that filled out as much as possible. So if there's a spot when you're building out that GMB, if there's any spot that you can put information in there, put it in there. Make sure you have as much info on there as possible. The next thing is going to be what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find for your business would be like Yellow Book, Yelp page, Facebook. Any website where you can list that business name, address, and phone number is going to count as a citation source and is going to help you move up in the rankings and into this 3-pack. Another big factor is actually going to be your organic rankings, and this is kind of the biggest one. So organically, where your business sits is also going to play a lot of impact as if you're going to be in this top 3. Now, looking at the organic search results as we're going through this, you have Home Advisor, Angie's List, and Better Business Bureau. I don't really consider these guys to be competition just because they're in direct competition with Google and their paid ads. And Google really doesn't like to have people taking their money from them. So by having these businesses up here, this actually is a good sign for you. It means that if you were to get a website up and get it optimized correctly, that you stand a pretty good opportunity of actually having your website right up here above Home Advisor. So looking at Burt Roofing as the number one organically ranked that isn't like one of these large national directory sites, looking at their website, actually I have Pertex Roofing pulled up right now. I'm not sure why. But the same principles are going to apply to both of these. So looking at Pertex, I think the results must have changed on me as I was getting ready to film this. So looking at Pertex and their website, they do have a nice site. I mean, they have the contact form right up here front and center. They have an okay amount of information on here, but really not that much content. Not overly impressed with what they have going on here. Looking at the back end of their site, this is where it really gets down to the nitty gritty. So the whole internet is built on what's called backlinks, and it's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. And so as you're going out here and getting these backlinks, you really want to be targeting ones that are relevant to the roofing industry. So if you guys were to get a backlink from a roofing site here out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight and look a lot better for Google than if you were to get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So with these backlinks, you really want to make sure you're getting relevant, powerful backlinks. Your competition really isn't that steep. I mean, they have a fair amount of backlinks, but nothing that you guys couldn't pass up in a short amount of time. So definitely some potential there for you guys to claim a lot of new market share. We had talked about citations. So this is a tool I use called WhiteSpark. And what this allows me to do is see the different citation sources that your competition has. We can actually go through, and what's cool about this tool is we can actually look at the different citations they have and go through and copy them. So American Pride Roofing, they have 41 citation sources, and we can actually go through and copy all the same citation sources they have and submit your business to those. So with them having 41, we want to beat them out in every way possible. So we would go for 60 for your business. You really just want to outdo your competition any way you possibly can. So again, your guys' keys to success, first off, is getting a website up, making sure it's built to not only convert but also rank to where we can get you into that top spot. Second off, going after the correct search terms, making sure we get your Google My Business page up, start getting those citations pointed towards it, drive you into this top three. And then lastly is going to be backlinks and making sure you're getting those relevant backlinks pointed towards your site. You're going to be set up to expand and continue to take on more clients. Hope you get something from this video. Love to set up a quick time for a quick phone call. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. Love to talk to you more.